Well, we talk about classic Corvettes. Corvettes become classic every year, and this is going to be one of those great investments. This is a 50th anniversary 1SC Convertible. 2003, 20 years old, and a beautiful car. It has just 35,000 miles on it, so it really is going to make a great investment. And our Corvettes here at buyavet.net are always priced, well, you just won't find better pricing on Corvettes. This car is the Anniversary Red on the exterior. It contrasts very well with that Shale interior, and it also has the Shale convertible top. This makes a stunning Corvette. Under the hood, you'll find a 360 horsepower LS1 engine, 6-speed manual transmission, so it's going to be fun to drive. And the factory features, well, they include the $5,000 1SC Preferred Equipment Group. This includes the 50th anniversary package, heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, F55 magnetic selective ride control, auto-dimming mirror, rear view mirror, auto headlights, dual power sports seats, dual zone electronic climate control. It has a Bose cassette stereo, has fog lamps, power windows, power locks. Well, everything on our cars are power, has ABS, traction control, and active handling. This car comes with a clean Carfax. It's loaded with options, and this Corvette 50th anniversary convertible shows just 35,103 miles. What an investment this is going to make, and especially with it being in such nice condition. The car's paint is very good with a great shine. The convertible top is good to excellent condition, as are the factory 50th anniversary specific wheels. Beautiful car. The interiors you can see of this Corvette shows very good factory leather seats, door panels, very good excellent center console and steering wheel. Additions to this car include a Corsa Axleback Performance exhaust, cold air intake, LS1 badge for the cold air intake. It has clear door sill plate covers. It has a foam cowl cover as well, and a polished exhaust filler plate with the 50th anniversary logo. It also has gold valve stem caps. All of our cars are hand-picked here at buyavet.net. We have certified Corvettes. These cars have went through an enormous inspection here before they ever go onto our showroom floor. Remember, you can buy with confidence online here at buyavet.net. That's one of our specialties. And please give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button, and you'll see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. So a good deal on spectacular Corvettes right here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Wherever you are from, give us a call. Find out what's really going on here at buyavet.net and how you can make a great investment on a Corvette that you've always wanted. We hope to hear from you real soon. buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia.